Sanibona bafowethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale game esiya kuyona yeSoweto Derby. A very important 3 points for us bafowethu. We're playing against the Chiefs that we mustn't undermine because sabashaya ngescore esikhulu last time. Remember ukuthi goalkeeper ubuyile and he's doing well kuma clean sheet. Nangama saves awenzayo crucial kwi-game. His weakest point is akwazi uqala emuva so as the Chiefs. So they have a better midfield lapha kumaboy Nondlovu. I think they will start them, and I think they will put Umtu Shabalala as a number 10. Maybe put Ulilepo, Mr. Casabolis, I think Uba Gamkol, and then maybe on the left they can put Evelibai. They might surprise us because njengamanje bane choice yokuthi kumele beze all out noma kumele be defend, and the put abangalenza is to try ukudla iPirates pound to pound. Indlela abangakhompetha ngayo ukuthi babe nama wingers who will track back, maybe like cheat ukuze baphume ngama counter because siba vulnerable kakhulu emuva uma ngabe attack. Now let's go to us, a very important person, Umbatha Benomakhaula. We cannot play the game ngaphandle kwa cash. We need stability kwi-rest defense because sinosibelebele will push high, sinohoto will push high, or endaba who will push high as much coach ukuthi ubani azomqala. So we need a proper rest defense. We cannot play game from 2 minutes to playing like we are losing the game. Let's control the games, let's play tempo. Chiefs very izoba frustrated ukuthi siyaba dominate, and they will come, I'm sure, I know they will come. They'll put Munyane who will want to show himself ayepambili. Maybe left, they might put to cross, maybe play a back 3, a flat 3, maybe baphume ngoMunyane kungenzeka is possible, or futhi they might put Umtu on a left forward, maybe bedlale ngama holding high 3 kuningi okungenzeka. So my lineup Uchani, and then on the right Usbelebele, okay, it's fine. Put him Usbelebele on the left, put Hoto, Siema, Usbis. Coming to midfield, Umbatha, Umakhaula, put on Urele, and then left forward Moremi, right Apolis, center forward put Mahopa. You cannot play dabbing upon Mahopa. Very good Mutuma who scored the last game, but I need Mahopa back. Is a number 9. In that way, so was a good elderly competing in the so as a stretcher, and it's very good to get Ama 1 2. The reason why I feel like Kurele in a shine Goma cool is because we have been playing on Botuma, and Botuma cannot or man Jamaican cool. I feel like I'm in the end for number 10 to play. You need a striker Esquazio Ugrana behind the Ama defender, Ugrana off the ball, Ugwenza Ama movement. There's as a shield, because remember what we are playing more like a free roll, so we need a movement ending, of which we are doing it very well. Spelebele is moving forward, Apple is moving forward. So general manager, we only rely on Gucci about Tatas. They know Intermele bayenze abonda, they know umsebenzi emele bayenze namhlanje, just ukuthi they must win a game. Tina, we must win a game ngomgqibelo Sunday. Danko.